a line straight ahead?
Well, we have pushed so far, but
I'm gonna shoot across.
Can we get on the boat?
Yeah, you get on the boat.
I'm gonna try to get up on the boat then.
I wasn't planning.
I got the apex. I could reach him.
Yeah, a couple of shots up in the air.
Up.
What's up?
All the way back there, so there's no point in wasting our
No.
ammo.
They're gonna be all on that side.
They're all back there. You can pop out, you probably won't get hit.
I can probably reach him with this apex. Yeah.
Yo, I got two guys
Oh.
right here.
Oh, the left fin, and then the doorway right in front.
I know. And then they're on the side of the side. Still got that.
We gotta stop it from getting anywhere near us.
Hey, dude.
What's up? Where?
He's peeping out off the side of the thing. And I'm running low off the thing.
Okay. No, I can't get into that doorway. It's pretty nice. If you get a break though,
I can
it
go
kind of
up, but
sucks.
dude, I only got a little bit left.
Okay. You want some paint?
I'll just a little bit. Don't give me all.
Well, here. No, here. Oh, that's empty.
Let's move up. If you
Okay.
can get it.
We're gonna need that paint. Go for it. Use it all.
How do you open it, dude?
Oh, there's a little button on the side. There you go.
Thank you. I had team practice, so I'm running low. Thanks, Tom.
No problem.
You ready?
Yeah.
Want to go out?
I kind of want to go up.
You want to on the crossfire?
Yeah. You want to cover me?
Which way are you going to go?
I'm going this way up. Hey, just make sure these guys don't.
Upstairs?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Hold on. Ready, set, go.
I'm up. I'm good. What's up?
What's up? You got guys? There, inside the building. Then we got a guy at the strike shed over here. Two guys at the strike shed. Team's only got a minute. Just give him that bait.
Okay.
I just got shot, but I'm not moving.
Shh. Let them use their paint. What's up?
Nobody shot at that much before you came up here. It's a good spot in this corner right